Hi guys, today I have these pantry organizers that I received through Amazon Vine, and I wanted to quickly show you how useful these are. I received this one as a set of 6, and each one of them has removable dividers inside. So the dividers make it really easy to separate snacks, drinks, or small items so everything stays organized instead of just being piled together. What I like about these is that they're clear, so you can quickly see what's inside without digging through your pantry or fridge. That alone makes things so much easier when you're looking for something quickly. Now, here are a few examples of things that you can use these organizers for. It's versatile, so the options are endless. They also have handles on both sides, so this will be easy if you need to pull them out of a fridge, a pantry, or a cupboard. And if you want to save space, you can stack them. They are BPA free, so they're made from BPA free plastic. That means they're durable, safe to use for food storage. They work really well for snacks, drinks, tea bags, small bottles, or even organizing things in the freezer. You can use them in the pantry, refrigerator, cabinets, or even in other areas of your home like the laundry room, office, bedroom. I mean, these are a really simple way to keep your kitchen and pantry looking neat and organized.